Welcome back to the episode of Let's Build Twitter. We are in episode 95. In this episode, we start by importing the button we completed in the last episode into the determine button function and set up all the necessary states and functions to get the button to work and display properly. Then we start working on the forgot form 4 component, which is used to take in the user's new password. Wrapping up the episode, doing a little bit of styling to complete the button, making it look exactly like Twitter's form. As always, I'm Ethan Uncoder, and let's hop straight into development. Then we can go ahead and set up for determine modal. So our utils bring in our forgot button 3. So imports our forgot button and then 3. And now for 3, we'll have a forgot button 3. And forgot button 3 needs a couple things. So we need active. We need active equal to this. We need, let's see, check code. Check code equal to. Then we need back equal to. So let's go ahead and pull these in. So our active is going to be form 3 active. Probably should be button 3 active. And what happened here? Fix that, which is a Boolean. Then we need a check code. Check code, which is just going to be a void function. Almost had it. And then finally, a we should have, we just reuse. So, although that's not the same, I'm going to go on the fly a little bit here. We're going to say back, which is, again, a void function. It's not, the way I have it set up isn't quite right. So active will be form 3 active. Check code will be check code. And then our back will be equal to back. And save that. Now, of course, we need to set up some new things inside of our login modal. So firstly, we'll go ahead and do is, let's see here. So we need to set up a few things. Let's see, how do I want to do this? So let's go ahead and do the check code first. So here we're going to go ahead and say const, and we're going to say check code equal to, and we're going to do one of these. We're just going to say if our reset code is equal to user input code. We're going to say set step to 4. Otherwise, we're going to go ahead and say set error to true. All right. And we might also want to go ahead and set error to true on the top as well, but it is what it is. It'll be fine. So then that will be, so first we need form 3 active. So form 3 active is going to say user input code question mark. So if there's user input, we'll say true. Otherwise we'll say false. And then next we need check code, which we can just pass check code. And then finally we need a JSX here. So for back, what I might just do is one of these and just say set step to 3, because that's really what we need here. It's not what I had originally, but that's actually what we need. So let's see if this is working as we expect. So if we come back in here, it says next, we delete all this, it says back, we go back, it doesn't do anything. So let's see here, check code. This is the back, forgot button 3. On click should be back, okay. And back gets passed in here. We're setting step, I think we need to set step to 2 instead of 3. Let's try that. So if we hit back, we come back here, we can send ourselves a new email. Terrific, that's working. All right, so we're getting a little bit closer and closer. I think we can close out of form 3 and button 3. Next up is form 4, which is where we're actually going to put in our new password and everything. Let's go ahead and do that, I suppose. I guess I never really did any styling if there is an error. That might be something I can come back to. That's fine, whatever. But let's go ahead and set up form 4. So instead of forgot forms, make a new file. Forgot got form 4.tsx, and let's go ahead and import React from React. Import our validated text input, and we also need to import visibility outlined icon from Material UI. I want to make sure I have the right one though. At MUI icons material / visibility, and then this is outlined icon. Outlined, I guess. Okay, and import our visibility. Visibility off, and this is outlined icon from at MUI / visibility off outlined. Make sure that we get those in correctly. Import / forgot form.css and import our global styles. So after doing this is also something that I'll probably come back and refactor at some point, just to make things a little bit cleaner and a little bit nicer. But we'll have an interface, and we'll call this forgot form for prompts. This is going to have an update password, which takes in an E, react.change event of an HTML input element. Like that, and this will be a void return, and we'll say matching boolean, and export const forgot form 4 react.fc and forgot form for prompts, and this is going to equal to. And we'll break the prompts out, update password, and matching. So this is where we're gonna basically put in our passwords. We also need use states, which I somehow forgot. Use states, and the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna say const, and we're gonna say password toggle. And set password toggle is equal to use state, maybe, and a boolean, and this is just going to be false. We'll have a const confirm toggle. So confirm toggle set confirm toggle is equal to use state. This is a boolean and false, like that. Const toggle password is going to equal to error function set password toggle to not password toggle. We'll also have a const toggle confirm equal to confirm equal to an arrow function with set confirm toggle to not confirm toggle. So we're going to turn those on and off, and then we can set up our div. So return a div with a class name equal to forgot dash form dash container. And then we need an h1 with a class name equal to, This is going to be forgot dash form dash header. This will say choose a new password. We'll have a p tag, the class name equal to, so we forgot dash form dash text, and color dash gray. And inside here, we'll say make sure your new password is 8 characters or more, and try, including numbers, letters, and punctuation. I can't spell punctuation. There we go, punctuation marks for a, we're gonna say a span, maybe. A class name equal to link in color blue. And then we'll say string password. That should be strong password, and period. All right, and then we have another p tag with a class name equal to forgot dash form text, and this one also has a color of gray, and this one is say you'll be logged out of all active Twitter sessions after your password is changed. I'm not really gonna deal with that, but we can imagine. All right, now we do the fun part, setting up our password stuff. So stop please div class name equal to forgot dash form dash for dash password dash wrapper. And in here we'll have a validated text input valid equal to true. Our label is equal to password, maybe. And then we need a name. This part is important. The name will be password. We need an attributes equal to min length is going to be 8. And then type will be password toggle question mark text or password. All right, and what we're gonna go and do is do that. And what am I missing? On change, I think. Yeah, I'm missing a change value. So here I'll add a change value. It's gonna be update password. All right, and then from here we need another div with an on click equal to our toggle password, and the class name will equal to forgot dash form dash for dash password dash icon. And now we're gonna say curly braces and password toggle question mark. If this is the case, we'll show a visibility, and this one should be off outline sx equal to, and this makes a mess, but it is what it is. I'm gonna do one of these actually just to clean things up. This, okay, sx, and this is gonna say font size is going to be 24px. And then here we'll have another one, and this is going to be visibility outlined icon, and sx equal to, And once again, make sure we don't have a mess here. And we'll have a font size equal to 24px. That was one of the most painless ones I've dealt with. And we need 2 of these. I'm just going to copy this and paste this. So now instead of password, this is going to be confirm. And then we need update passwords fine. This is going to be toggle confirm. And here it's going to be confirm toggle and save. And now finally, what am I missing? What I break? Div has no corresponding closing tag. It does. How did I do this? How did I break this? I don't know how this broke, but prettier not installed. So let's see. Div. So you know what happened? Let me undo some stuff. Didn't put it in the right spot. Bring it down here and paste it. There we go. Now we have, let's see, our toggle confirm. This will be confirm toggle. There we go. And somehow it still ate one of my divs. Oh. I don't know how it ate a div again, but all is well. So that should be good to go. Now we can go ahead and style this. Hope for the best. So now we're going to come back into forgot form CSS. We don't have to touch a bunch of stuff. We can just say forgot dash form dash for dash password dash wrapper. Our width will be 100%. Our position is going to be relative. And then our margin dash top is going to be 25 px. Then we have a dot forgot dash form dash for dash password dash icon. And this is going to have a position of absolute. Going to have a bottom of 2px. Going to have a right of 15px and a cursor, a pointer. And I also forgot one other thing at the bottom of this, since we are having to debug. Inside forgot form 4, the bottom here, right here, I believe, let's say dot not matching question mark. So if we're not matching, we're going to go ahead and have a p, a class name equal to, and this will be login dash form dash error in color of red. And we'll say passwords must match. Otherwise, we'll just display nothing. We don't have to say anything after that because we already have the login error, so that's good. Unfortunately, that's going to be it for today. If you guys enjoyed, please stick around for the next episode by hitting that subscribe button. You'll know exactly when it comes out, especially with that bell icon. If you did enjoy the content today, please sure to leave a thumbs up. If you did enjoy it, leave a thumbs down. Either way, it helps out with the algorithm all the same. And finally, if you have any suggestions or feedback for me, make sure you leave a comment down below. With that being said, I appreciate you all for watching. Stay tuned for the next episode. Peace out, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.